Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to be doing another river swipe where I have some negative space on either side and I put a swipe through the middle with some colour. Like one I did recently, I'm going to add a pattern into my negative space using a swipe. So there's only going to be two colours. There'll be the base colour, which is going to be this Prussian Phthalo Blue, and I had some navy CA cell activator and I put some titanium white in it. I've got this sort of greyish colour, so we're going to see how that goes. That'll sink into this colour and yeah, we'll see what happens there. Then I've got some other colours here. I've got sky blue. This is a mix of turquoise and aqua bright green. I've got some Arteza gold, and this is some Montmartre phthalo metallic. And then I've got more leftovers here. I've got some iridescent white. This is a lime green, chilling lime, I think. And this is ultramarine, I believe. So I might squiggle a bit of those through as well, just to break it up. Let's get started. I'm going to jump straight in with my background. I'm going to have my river going through a bit like this. Often if I start like this and when I tilt, it ends up on an angle anyway. But that's got a bit of bubbles in there. Might keep a little bit because I'm probably going to need it to fill out spaces. And which palette knife? I'll use this one, I think. Oh no! There goes my cell activator everywhere. See if I can get it onto my palette knife. Crisis averted. So I didn't want a really bright colour against, because it's just supposed to be a pattern in the background. So we'll see how this goes. There we go. Got it all covered with what I spilt. All right. I'm going to do it quite close to the edge here. So I probably could have gone a bit darker. We'll see how far it sinks. I'm going to turn it around. And I'm going to go from the other direction and do this side here. I'm going to spread that on with my pop stick, just because I'm looking at this bit over here and I'm not sure if that's going to sink. So I'm going to start right from the edge this time. Oh, what happened here? I didn't press it down. Not to worry. Must have lifted it up a bit. Okay, so that's going to be my background. We might lose that anyway. I'm going to start adding my colours. Now, I was thinking, shall I do puddles or should I just squiggle it on? And I'm thinking I'm going to squiggle through. I've got mostly these two colours. Then I've got this metallic. Let's try the ultramarine. Got some gold. I'm going to go back with a bit of turquoise. Whoops, a bit heavy there. Ultramarine, some gold, and I've got a bit of this chilling green. I'm just going to put a few dots because this is quite reactive. This is Dorado de Polo, and it does seem to react, this one. So I just want to put a few little drops. Like that. Not much at all. I'm just trying to add a bit more volume of paint, I think. That's okay. I could add some of this colour to the outside just to help it flow. I think there's enough there to spread on. I'm going to swipe with white. Now last time I swiped with black because that was a contrast against the lighter background, but this time I've got a dark background, so I'm going to contrast with the white. And I think I'll come from this direction. Okay. This is really cool. Beautiful. Just need to fix up a few little spots. I don't know about that. Might have been better off just leaving it the way it was. So I'm going to leave this side. I'm going to take a different colour. I might take the swipe mix here. That didn't actually work very well. I'm just gonna pour a bit through there. That's better. All right, I think we're ready to tilt. I'm going to tilt this way first, I think. Come down the bottom first. Back to the center. And this way. And go back this way. Let's have a look. Ooh, stuck to the floor. That going through the middle is like an opal-y type colour and look. It's pretty cool. Got a lot of gold in the corner here. I'm not sure about this here. I might actually take that off with a bit of this. Just going to take a bit more that way, just widen it a bit. So just working on composition now. I did kind of like that bit that didn't have the lacing, but that's okay. Now I've got too much here. It's not balanced anymore. Oh dear. Alright. Which means I need to take a bit off that way. Let me turn it around. Let's have a look at it from this direction just to... I think if I just take it off there and then I can leave space in the corner. And we got a little bit more movement now as well. Cool. Just cover up my edges. Cool. I am going to blow that with a torch and get the bubbles out, and then I'll bring you back for the wet look. Okay, here is the wet result. And this one certainly looks like a river, the way it undulates. It's got some big sort of boulders through it as well, which is gives it, you know, like a very organic feel. And this soft edge kind of looks like a bank or something like that. I don't know. The colours are pretty. It's definitely very different, and yeah, I think it looks a little, the colours in the middle are kind of sort of opal colours. Alright, I will bring you back when this is dry. Okay, here is the dry result. We've got a little bit of shine and shimmer. Hang it back up. And if you have a look through here, this actually looks almost purple. This is why I think it looks like an opal sort of landscape, opal river. I think that's what I'll call it. It's just got lots of different colours blended through it. The lacing in the background turned out quite well. Probably a little bit bolder than I wanted it. I probably would have preferred even more subtle colour, but I do like this riverbank. Sort of looks like the water's flown through there at some point, but now it's just like the dirt. Yeah, bit different. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this one, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.